The images shown are for illustration purposes only and may not be an exact representation of the product. Watching this video will help you visualize details of the spa setup. Your spa parts may differ in number and type or color depending on your model. Thank you for purchasing an Intex spa. Your family will enjoy a new dimension of fun, sharing, and relaxation. As the owner of the spa, you need to be aware of the risks associated with this type of equipment. There is a risk of accidental drowning, and extreme caution must be exercised to prevent unauthorized access by children. To avoid accidents, ensure that children cannot use the spa unless they are closely supervised at all times. There is a risk of hair and body suction entrapment, requiring special attention to proper use of the suction outlets and pump. There is also the risk of injury and electrical shock, requiring specific safety precautions, such as GFCI, RCD protection, maintaining the proper distance from electrical appliances, etc. Read the manual carefully for full details on necessary precautions and to understand and avoid these risks. It is very important to follow all the warnings and safety guidelines. Your PureSpa may be set up outdoors or inside. It must be set up on a level area free of obstructions. Setup must be at least 1.8 meters from the electrical outlet. Read your manual for information which will help make your spa installation safe and convenient. If setting up outside, check local and state safety regulations. Move the spa without dragging to your selected area and lay out all parts to become familiar with the equipment. The spa draws a minimum of 13 amps. Most household currents are 15 to 20 amps. If the circuit breaker trips, please check that no other appliances or large loads are on the same circuit as the spa. The electrical cord must be able to reach a GFCI or RCD protected electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Unfold the line cord prior to use. Never place the plug on combustible materials. Plug the spa into a grounded GFCI or RCD protected electrical outlet and follow the instructions in the manual to test the equipment using the GFCI or RCD buttons on the cord. Do not use the spa if the GFCI RCD is not functioning properly. Disconnect the power cord until the fault has been identified and corrected. Contact a qualified electrician to correct the fault. Make sure the control base is plugged in and GFCI RCD tested. Place the control panel on the control base recessed channel to charge the built-in battery. Spread the ground cloth with the bubble side facing down over the cleared area. Lay out the spa over the ground cloth, with the drain valve towards a suitable draining area for drainage. To inflate the spa cover air bladder, insert one end of the inflation hose into the spa control base air blower outlet. Then turn it to the right to lock it into position. Open the cover air bladder valve and insert the other end of the inflation hose into the valve. Turn the air passage selection dial located on the side of the control base to the inflate position. Make sure the spa control base is plugged into a properly located and sized electrical outlet and press the power button to turn on the control panel. Press the bubble button to inflate until it is firm to the touch but not hard. Disconnect the inflation hose from the inflation valve first. Close and recess the inflation valve. Turn the air passage selection dial back to the bubble position and press the bubble button again to turn it off. Finally, Disconnect the inflation hose from the spa control base air blower outlet. Flip up the control base side cover to reveal the air blower inflation outlet. Connect the air blower outlet to the spa tub first. Hand tighten the connector securely. Do not use tools to tighten. Turn the air passage selection dial to the inflate position. Press the bubble button to inflate the spa tub wall for about 3 to 5 minutes until it is firm to the touch but not hard. Always turn the air passage selection dial to the bubble position first before switching off the air bubble pump so that no air escapes. Press the bubble button again to turn it off. Once the control panel battery is fully charged, you may place the control panel on top of the spa tub wall. To remove the control panel from the spa tub, lift the latch while pulling the control panel away from the support stand. Connect the remaining 2 small pipes between the spa control base and the spa tub. Hand tighten the connectors securely. Do not use tools to tighten. Return the control base side covers to the down position. There is no need to disconnect your control base to add air to your cover air bladder. To add air, unscrew the air valve cap on the spa tub to reveal the stem in the up position for inflation. Insert the inflation hose into the valve and turn it to the right to lock it in position. And repeat the rest of the cover air bladder steps for inflation. To deflate the spa, with the spa control unit attached to the spa tub, turn the air passage selection dial on the side of the control base to the deflate position. Press the bubble button to deflate the tub. When deflation is completed, turn the air passage selection dial back to the bubble position and press the bubble button again to turn it off. For cover air bladder, pull the valve cap out and squeeze the valve at its base to release a small amount of air. Close and recess the valve back when finished. Check that there is a filter cartridge inside the cartridge housing. Attach the filter cartridge housing assembly, items 12, 13, and 14, to the outlet grid marked C on the tub wall. Before filling the spa, ensure that the bottom drain valve caps are securely closed on the inside and outside of the spa. Fill the spa tub with fresh water to a level between minimum and maximum marked on the inside of the spa wall. Do not overfill the spa. Never move the spa tub with water inside and/or with the control base attached, as the spa or control base may be damaged. Never pour water hotter than 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit directly into the spa. It is recommended to fill the spa with lukewarm water for quick heating and energy saving. The control panel displays the temperature in Celsius, which is the default, or Fahrenheit. Press the Celsius/Fahrenheit button to choose between them. Activate the heating and filter systems by pressing the flame button. The flame red light will turn on and the filtration system will start at the same time. Pressing either of the temperature control buttons will cause the LED to flash, and you can adjust the temperature up or down. The light will change to green when the set temperature is reached and the heater will be at rest. The heater will automatically turn on whenever the water temperature drops 1.8 to 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 to 2 degrees Celsius below the set temperature. When heating stops, the filtration system will continue non-stop unless manually turned off. Note, pressing the flame button only while the heater is in rest mode will turn off the heating system only, and the filtration system will continue to operate for 1 more minute before turning off or continuing with the filter pump preset operating hours. To turn the heater off while heating, press the flame button. Use this button to activate the air bubble massage system, which has a 30-minute auto shut-off feature. The bubble icon on the displays will turn green when activated. Do not run the bubble feature with the cover attached. Air can accumulate inside the spa and cause irreparable damage and bodily harm. This button turns the filter pump on and off. The water filter icon on the display is green when activated and flashing 002 hours, which is the minimum preset operating hours. Press again to increase the preset time from 2 hours, 4 hours to 6 hours. Pressing the button after the maximum number of hours, 6 hours, will turn off the filter pump and the LED display will show the spa water temperature. If you have selected too many hours, keep pressing the button to repeat the cycle of hours. Once set, the LED display will stop flashing after 10 seconds and the filter pump will start working. The cycle will repeat itself at the same time each day for the number of hours selected. If the heating system is activated, it will override the filter pump preset time function. To view the preset time while the filter pump is operating, press the filter button once. The display will briefly flash the preset hours for 10 seconds and display back to the remaining operating hours. To adjust the preset time, press the filter button twice until the display is flashing and repeat the previous steps. Use this button to select a future start time for the heating system. Press this button, then press the up or down buttons to set the number of hours you wish to delay the start of the heating system from 0 to 120 hours. The HST icon will flash red for a few seconds and then stays red. The information shown on the LED display alternates between the remaining hours before the heater starts and the current water temperature. Once the countdown timer reaches 0, the heating system will start operating. To deactivate the function at any time, simply set the HST time back to 0. To readjust the preset hours, press the HST button twice and adjust the hours with the up and down buttons. Use this button to select the desired length of time the heating system should operate. Press this button and then press the up or down buttons to set the number of hours you wish the heater to operate before it automatically turns off from 0 to 48 hours. The HDT icon will flash red for a few seconds and then stays red. The heating system will operate for the amount of preset hours only. The timer takes priority over temperature, so the heater will shut off when the HDT time runs out, regardless if the preset spa water temperature is reached or not. During the HDT function, the information shown on the LED display alternates between the remaining heater operating hours and the water temperature. Repeat previous steps to reprogram this function. To deactivate the function at any time, simply set the HDT time back to 0. To readjust the preset hours, press the HDT button twice and adjust the hours with the up and down buttons. Download the Intex Spa Management app by scanning the QR code located on the rating label of your spa's control base or in your Intex Spa's instruction manual. The app can also be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Press this button for 5 seconds to begin the spa Wi-Fi pairing function with your mobile device. If the Wi-Fi LED icon is on or solid, that means the product is paired up and connected to the home Wi-Fi signal successfully. If the Wi-Fi icon is flashing slowly, that means it is in the pairing mode stage. If it's not paired up and not connected to the home Wi-Fi signal within 2 minutes, the Wi-Fi LED indicator will turn off. Touch the pairing button for about 5 seconds to repeat the pairing process. If the Wi-Fi icon is flashing rapidly, this means there is a Wi-Fi router or internet network problem. Please check Troubleshooting in the manual for more details. If the Wi-Fi icon is off or blank, then there will be a spa control panel pairing failure, or it never connected to the home Wi-Fi signal. Keep touching the pairing button for about 10 seconds to repeat the pairing process. If the problem still persists, check Troubleshooting in the manual for more details. Before entering the spa, the user should measure the temperature of the water with an accurate thermometer, since the tolerance of water-regulating devices varies. The water in your spa should never exceed 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures between 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Celsius are considered safe for healthy adults. Use lower temperatures for soaks of more than 10 minutes and for children. Never use the spa alone or allow others to use the spa alone. Pregnant and possibly pregnant women should consult a physician before using the spa. There is a high risk of fetal damage from excessive water temperatures during the early months of pregnancy. Use should not exceed 10 minutes, and water temperatures should not exceed 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The use of alcohol, drugs, or medications may lead to unconsciousness and drowning. Persons using medications should consult a physician before using the spa, since some medications induce drowsiness. Obese persons and those with a history of heart disease, low or high blood pressure and circulation, and diabetes should consult a physician before use. Exit the spa immediately if you become uncomfortable, dizzy, or sleepy. Spa heat can cause hyperthermia and unconsciousness. The use of alcohol, drugs, or medications can greatly increase the risk of hyperthermia. Hyperthermia effects include failure to perceive heat, unawareness of the impending hazard, and the need to exit the spa. Always unplug the spa for servicing or maintenance procedures. Maintaining the proper chemical balance in the spa is very important for spa life and safe water. Follow the chemical maker's instructions to avoid hazards. Do not add chemicals when the spa is occupied. Add chemicals separately to the spa. Your spa comes with a built-in saltwater sanitation system. Be sure to use salt that is at least 99.8% pure. The purer the salt, the more effectively the system will clean the water in the spa. Do not use iodized or yellow salt. Refer to the salt table in the owner's manual for the amount of salt required for your spa. Switch the bubble function on to start the water circulation. Keep the sanitation system turned off. Evenly spread 2 kilograms of salt around the inside perimeter of the spa. Brush the spa bottom to speed up the dissolving process. Do not allow salt to pile up on the bottom of the spa. Run the bubble function for 1 hour to thoroughly dissolve the salt. When all the salt is dissolved, press the sanitizer button to activate the sanitation system. Code 003H will flash, and you can set the sanitation system to your desired operating hours. Ensure the heater is off and attach the spa cover during the sanitizing process. Maintain the spa pH level between 7.2 and 7.8 ppm, alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm, and free chlorine between 2 to 5 ppm. See the test strip package for instruction. Change the filter every week. And spa water every 2 to 3 months. Refer to the maintenance section in the owner's manual for details. When the spa is not being used, always place the spa cover bladder over the spa to avoid potentially dangerous situations and to keep children out of the spa when supervision is not available. To secure the spa, pull the buckle straps tight. Always attach the spa cover and lock the buckles when the spa is not in use. Each buckle is marked with a lock and unlock symbol for easy operation. Put the key into the slot on the buckle and turn in the appropriate position to lock or unlock the buckle, respectively. Always keep the keys out of the reach of children. Maintain a safe spa and enjoy years of happy use.